In this video, we're going to go through 2 ways you can adjust your columns in Excel. First, we're going to make an adjustment to the entire worksheet. We're going to start by going all the way to the top left corner, and you're going to see there's a little square right here. When we click it, it's going to highlight the entire worksheet. We're then going to point in between any one of the columns, and you're going to notice that it changes my mouse, and I'm going to double click and then watch. It changes the entire worksheet, but let's say that I don't want to change, but maybe specific column widths. That brings us to point 2, adjusting specific columns in the Excel worksheet. Really, all we have to do is locate the column and double click in between the left side of the column that we want to adjust. And you can see that as I do that, I double click in between those columns again, and all of those individual columns I wanted are adjusted. Now let's take a really quick little quiz.